Luxury goods reseller RealReal is going public today on the NASDAQ. Leslie Picker joins us. She's got more on the pricing.
Hey, Becky, that's right. So the products on this site may be used, but the shares they're selling, well, those are brand new. Online consignment retailer, the RealReal, selling $300 million worth of stock at $20 each in its IPO. The deal values the RealReal at $1.7 billion. The company generates revenue by taking a cut when people sell their used Rolexes, Birkin bags, and Cartier rings on the site. The RealReal was founded in 2011 by former Pets.com CEO Julie Wainwright. She was shopping with a friend at an upscale boutique that sold consignment and thought that would be the perfect market to disrupt so long as each item on the site were authenticated. And that's the big question for online consignment, which is becoming an increasingly competitive market. Now, how will these companies be able to prevent fakes or counterfeit products from passing through the sites? The RealReal says they have more than 100 highly trained gemologists, horologists, brand experts, art curators that review the items before they're posted for sale. And recent e-commerce IPOs have done incredibly well. Online retailer Revolve has doubled from its IPO earlier this month. Pet company Chewy.com up by 50%, guys, which historically e-commerce companies didn't do that well in IPOs.
I mean, we did have StockX on yesterday.
Yep.
They had just received another round of funding. They sell used sneakers, high-end stuff. But I still have a little bit of a stretch. Like some things I get. You're going to buy a ring, you're going to buy a bag, you're going to buy something, it's art, something like that.
Right.
But shoes kind of gross me out.
Yeah.
And you were saying your sister sells what?
She sells her Lululemon workout clothes on Poshmark, which she said they go like hotcakes. Like it's not one of those things where they sit on the site for years and years. Like they get sold really easily. People sell bathing suits. Yeah.
Bathing suits.
Yes.
What are you going to sell your underwear?
I know.
That's so gross.
I wouldn't be surprised. We should look for it,
Leslie,
actually.
so my question about RealReal is it continues to lose money. 2018 lost $76 million on revenue of $207 million.
And it's a run rate of about $100 million this year.
Right. So the real question to me is, you know, we've had so many of these IPOs, money-losing IPOs, but you look at a Slack, for example, and it's very clear, or at least I want to say it looks like it's clear, when it could turn profitable.
Yep.
Uber, on the other hand, obviously less clear. Is there clarity here on this stock?
I'm not sure there is. They have a take rate of about 35%, meaning that for each item that's sold on their site, they get about 35% of that they get to keep and take home. That's a pretty high margin for a consignment retailer right now. The problem is that there's so much competition that is coming into the site, so that if you're already not profitable and you're seeing all of this competition kind of latch onto this space, what happens to your take rate if, you know, as soon as that competition starts lowering their take rate?
I mean, I'm open to offers.
I think that's the key hurdle for profitability.
On my Lululemon pants.
But you think on a company like this, it has to be
I
profitable.
think you could get $50. Just, you know, off the top of my head, I don't know.
How much do they cost?
They cost like $100.
This is from a celebrity.
Oh, well, are you going to sign them?
Yeah, I'll sign them.
Oh, well, then maybe you could go for like $150.
Will you all
And
sign?
they smell like him, too.
Yeah.
I would consider washing them. Yeah, they haven't been washed. They're unwashed now. I would wash them for...
If you don't
Lowers
wash them,
the
you might be able to get
Lowers the
$200.
value
value,
if you wash them.
You can try.
I don't know. A retail company that loses money in a world where retail is losing money with a $1.7 billion valuation.
$1.7 billion valuation.